better solution for all of this tiny bit of space that I have. But you know what? I make it work because that's what you do, especially in 2020. You just make it work. Well, I'm back again with another unboxing, and I'm guessing by now you probably already know what it is. It's not the first time it's been done. It's certainly not going to be the last time it's done, but you know what? This is the first time I've done it, which makes it very special. So let's do it. What's up, everybody? My name is Tyler. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and cut because oh, here we go. Ta-da! Wow. Check that out. Wow, they got this thing like super taped in there. Pretty insane. This is the weirdest unboxing experience ever. There we go. All right. So this is just like a wrap. And we can slide that out. So we're just gonna put it over there before I lose it. And wow. Well, there it is. iPhone 12 Pro Max, I got the graphite version, 128 gigs, which is super nice that the lowest capacity for the new iPhone Pros is 128 as opposed to 64. My 11 Pro Max, I got a 64 gig, so I made that mistake once, won't do that again. Got the green tab. I'm gonna try my best to do this. Like, I just don't have the best unboxing setup for this, but you see we got the green tab right there. And we're gonna give it a little peel. Wow, check that out. So there it is. I have it upside down. Of course, it's hard to tell which side is up anymore. Sweet. Go ahead and we'll pull it off. Wow, look at that. It looks identical to my last one. Here, let's pull the 11 for comparison here. So in the same light, you can see they're like identical in color. I don't know, it's kind of, yeah, they're about the same color, I would say. Pretty much the same color, nothing different, nothing new there. Move this one over here. Cool, so we'll pull this little tab. Wow. A little bit of a beautiful. And there it is. When I hold them both in my hands, it's kind of like they feel similar, but obviously the squared off edges on the 12 definitely give it a very unique feeling. All the iPhones I've ever had have always had the curved edges, because prior to iPhone I was using Pixel 2 XL. So coming from these like rounded edges, which I'm used to on iPhone, to these more squared off edges from like the iPhone 5 era, this is totally new to me. So I kind of dig it. I kind of like the gripability on this is a lot better than this. That's one thing that I've always struggled with the 11 was like when you put it on a table and you try to like pick it up, your hands constantly slip off the edge. Whereas I feel like with this one, it's a lot easier to just, you know, it's a little thing, but I think, you know, regardless, I think it's kind of nice to have that. The sides are mega reflective, so you can see like super shiny, super reflective, absolutely fingerprint magnets here. I mean, I can practically see myself in the edge here. That's the phone, so let's set that off to the side. And the rest of the box here, nothing fancy. I mean, really. Apple's done away with the brick this year, as a lot of people have heard, and left everybody with a USB-C cable for all of your power bricks that are totally and definitely USB-C. Good job, Apple. You did it again. Thankfully for me, I have lots of USB-C wall jacks and stuff from iPads and previous Android phones and whatnot, but you get your little USB-C to lightning cable in here. No earphones or headphones this year, whatever you want to call them. And that's it. I mean, you literally get the phone, the cable, and then this little card, welcome card thing. Oh, your SIM tool, an Apple sticker, which I've been told that the 12 Pro Max sticker is the biggest sticker out of all the iPhone boxes. So that's interesting that they did that. And that's it. I mean, That's all that's in the box. There's nothing else. So very minimal box design this year. So there you go. You can see just the size difference there. You can see on this camera too. I would say it's almost half. It's almost half the height of last year's phone, easily. But I mean, geez, that's it. That's the unboxing. I mean, there's really nothing more to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, do some B-roll, of course. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. See you later. Bye-bye. Skedaddle. Skadoodle. That's it. That's the unboxing. Bye.